Hey guys, welcome to the HitlChat setup demo video. We're going to take you through exactly how to set up your HitlChat account and connect it to your Botpress WhatsApp chatbot. So that's going to allow you to intercept any Botpress conversation, respond to your customers directly, manually, send and receive multimedia images, videos, file attachments, etc., as well as then hand control back to the bot if required. Some people call this HITL, some call it live agent handoff, some call it human handoff. You get the idea. First things first, you need to sign up for a free HitlChat account. Let's log into HitlChat for the first time. Right, so now we need to enter our WhatsApp Business API credentials. Very important, this video does assume that you already have a Botpress WhatsApp integration set up and that you've got a bot that is already responding via your WhatsApp business number, right? So if you go into your Botpress WhatsApp integration settings, it should look something like this. And it's very important that you've set up your integration using manual configuration rather than the embedded sign-up flow. Assuming that's all in place already, let's get going. So we're now going to enter our WhatsApp API credentials. So initially, because you've set up your Botpress WhatsApp integration in manual configuration mode, you will have set up a Meta app. So you're going to go to developers.facebook.com/apps. You're going to search for the application or the app rather that you set up, and you're going to click into that app. So this is where we're going to get our Meta API or WhatsApp API credentials. Right, so this screen should look quite familiar to you if you have set up an app in the past. So let's see what HitlChat needs for the setup. We need a phone number ID, we need a WhatsApp business account ID, and we need a permanent access token. So we're going to go back to our app. We're going to click on the WhatsApp drop-down, and we're going to go to API setup. I'm going to make sure that my business number, my WhatsApp business number is selected here, and I can just simply copy phone number ID. I can copy WhatsApp business account ID. And then the permanent access token, you can actually get from your WhatsApp integration within Botpress itself. So you can just come over here and you can copy your access token. Hit next. Now this is actually going to validate your credentials to make sure that you've entered correctly. If it allows you to step 2 in this process, it means that your details are correct. Right. Now, we're going to go and enter the Meta webhook URL as well as the Meta verification token within your Meta app. So I'm going to copy the Meta webhook URL, going to go back into my app, and I'm going to click on configuration. And as you can see, this callback URL, we're going to paste it in there. Mine is already set up. And your verify token, we're going to go back to the HitlChat wizard. We're going to copy this. It's simply the word HitlChat with a capital H and capital C. That never changes. We're going to copy that, and we're going to put that into the verify token. And now, very important, we're going to verify and save. If it allows you to save, everything is all good, and Meta has now sent a request to HitlChat, and it has actually accepted the HitlChat URL, which is good news. Happy days. Right, step 3, we need the Botpress WhatsApp webhook URL. So we're going back into our Botpress bot. We're going to navigate to our WhatsApp integration, and we're going to copy the WhatsApp webhook URL. And we're going to paste that into that field there. For now, you can ignore the HitlChat webhook URL. That's going to be within another video for more advanced functionality. But what is very important is the last field, Botpress message hook script. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back into our bot, back to our main workflow. We're going to go to hooks, and we're going to create a brand new hook, and we're going to call it, or we're going to create a hook of type before outgoing. We're going to just call it HitlChat outgoing hook, confirm, and we're just going to paste in exactly what we have just copied from the step 3. We can now save changes. Once we've entered our WhatsApp Business API credentials, you'll be presented with the HitlChat portal homepage. And guys, this last step is super important. And this is where we're going to set up our HITL intent. So we're going to go to My Account, WhatsApp number on the left. You'll see your WhatsApp business number displayed here. Click into that. You'll see 4 tabs at the top here. You're going to click on HITL intents. So this allows you to enter a comma-separated list of phrases that will cause the bot to stop responding. In other words, puts the bot into HITL mode. And this will allow you or your agents to respond manually to your customers. And then afterwards, hand control back to the bot. So I'm going to put an intent in here called transfer to human, and I'm going to save. We can see a little example over here as well with regard to what to actually do within your Botpress workflow. So I'm going to go to my Botpress workflow, and I'm going to just zoom in on my node that gives the customer the option to transfer to a human. So as long as I have a matching transfer to human option and that text matches this text, it will trigger the bot and put the bot into HITL mode. And that's the last step.